Hello guys, this is Thompson from 5 Best Ones. Are you looking for the best product on the market? If yes, then you're in the right place. In this video, I will share every bit of information with you so that you can pick the best product according to your need. We have made a list by investing a healthy amount of time and effort. The link in the description demonstrates the product list with a pretty reasonable value. So let's get started. If you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon for our latest videos. Number 1.
Patriot Viper V765. Patriot memory is known more for its RAM and storage than its peripherals, but the Viper V765 provides a key field that's second to none in an attractive affordable package, especially for the feature set. It's been a while, but the Patriot Viper V765 is still the best gaming keyboard for most. It's one of the rare keyboards to come with Calebox white switches, which actuate faster than regular blue or green switches, thanks to their slightly reduced travel, 3.6mm versus 4mm. The keys are the most responsive we've tested, and even make a more pleasant click sound than you'll find elsewhere. The awesome switches alone make the Viper V765 worth buying, but it's also a great-looking peripheral. The full-size keyboard has an aluminum top surface with tapered edges that make it look like a metallic spaceship. The vibrant RGB keys offer dozens of different light combinations, along with the ability to create your own color patterns. And you don't even need to install the software in order to use most of the RGB effects. You also get media keys, which are often reserved for pricier keyboards, and IP56 water and dust resistance. The Viper V765 currently sells for $70, much cheaper than most competitors. We wish it had taller flip-out feet and a slightly better app, but the Viper V765 is still our favorite gaming keyboard.
Number 2.
Cooler Master CK552. Some of the best gaming keyboards come with a hefty price tag. If you're not willing to break the piggy bank for a keyboard, the Cooler Master CK552 is for you. You get a full-sized keyboard with an aluminum top plate, which is often reserved for pricey keyboards and points to welcome longevity. The CK552 also comes with multiple switch options. Available with Gateron brand linear, clicky, or tactile switches, you should enjoy a great mechanical experience, even if the finicky may find it not as stable or premium as other mechanical switch brands, like Cherry MX. When it came to gaming, the Gateron red switches we tested occasionally resulted in mispresses, and that's an issue with typing too. But the CK552 also has up to 4 profiles of onboard memory and on-the-fly macro recording, plus per key RGB, to make up for any feelings of subpar when it comes to gaming. Cooler Master's CK552 can also work with the Cooler Master Portal software, although that's not as advanced as competitor peripheral software.
Number 3.
CORSAIR K70R GBTKL. The CORSAIR K70R GBTKL is expensive overall, but still offers a lot for the price. Its TKL build saves space, but still feels strong and resistant to damage. CORSAIR also decks you out with dedicated media keys, plus the ability to change RGB effects without having to download any software or course. For deeper customization, you'll need the iCue app. We enjoyed both typing and gaming on the K70 TKL, with great thanks due to the double-shot PBT keycaps. Not only did they fight off smudges, but they also fought off sweat, so we never missed a beat in-game. You even get bonus, cheaper ABS keycaps for more style and fun. Although, when it came to typing, an adjustment period was needed for how close the keys are to each other. Interestingly, the K70R GBTKL has its own multi-threaded sock, allowing it to hit an 8000 Hz polling rate, 8 times the polling rate of each of the other keyboards on this page. But even with an AMD Ryzen 5950X CPU, we didn't notice the difference. More helpful were the bounty of onboard profiles, up to 50, and advanced tournament-style futuricity and responsiveness of this TKL.
Number 4.
Razer BlackWidow V3 Pro. If you want the same experience as your typical full-sized mechanical gaming keyboard, but just want to cut the cord, the Razer BlackWidow V3 Pro is the best wireless gaming keyboard for you. While some wireless keyboards are built for traveling, the BlackWidow V3 Pro offers all the size, bulk and functionality of a full-sized mechanical, including a tactile and premium volume dial, additional media keys, an aluminum top plate and double-shot ABS plastic keycaps. Razer didn't skimp on this gaming keyboard, packing it up with 4 profiles of onboard memory and vibrant per-key RGB lighting. However, RGB doesn't stick to profiles, so advanced RGB fanatics will have to rely on software for pairing RGB, including custom effects, to profiles. During testing, we had no issues with Razer's dongle connection, and you can also pair the keyboard with up to 3 computers via Bluetooth. With RGB at max settings and no dimming effects, our BlackWidow V3 Pro test unit averaged about 14 hours, but you can get up to 25 hours with RGB using power-saving settings. You'll want to plug it in by the time battery life hits 3%, as power-saving settings kick in at that point and make the keyboard act a little wonky. If you're looking for a more portable full-sized wireless gaming keyboard, the Logitech G915 Lightspeed is fantastic and reliable with low-profile switches that some will enjoy for gaming and others will enjoy for travel. But for more of your typical mechanical gaming keyboard experience, the BlackWidow V3 Pro is a premium choice.
Number 5.
HyperX Alloy Origins. The HyperX Alloy Origins compact and quality build make it the best gaming keyboard for mainstream gamers who just want to get down to gaming. It's comfortable with a premium look and feel, from its keys to its frame and vibrant RGB lighting. If you're familiar with linear switches, you'll feel right at home with this keyboard's red switches. We've also tested the clickier version with HyperX AUA switches, which is available on Amazon and HyperX's store. But for over $100, you can find gaming keyboards with more luxuries, like media control buttons, a USB pass-through port for easily plugging in another accessory, like your best gaming mouse, or more advanced software. But what the Alloy Origins does offer, it executes excellently. Note that HyperX has 2 smaller, cheaper versions of this keyboard. The tankless, no numpad, HyperX Alloy Origins Core and 60% HyperX Alloy Origins 60.